Today we're going to make some Greek chicken on the smoker, and this is about the easiest way to do it. It's one of the simplest meals that I'll show you how to do. You're going to take about a half a cup of melted butter, and you're going to have already prepared your chicken. By doing that, you're going to take it out of the package, rinse it pretty good, take out the guts that they leave in there, and get it ready. You're going to let it dry pretty good too. You're going to take your Greek seasoning. You want a fairly decent amount in there. Now you're going to take, and I just use this part right here, the syringe, to stir it. And you're going to load your syringe. And start injecting, and I'll show you in a second. So now we have a pretty good sized filled syringe. If you take it out, it's about 2 ounces of melted butter per chicken. And you come in at an angle just like this, jab it in, and fill it up. You'll watch it spread out just a little as you do that. Once again, same time. Kind of a slight jerk. It's better when I have 2 hands. See there, that was a good one. You could watch the breast meat swell up there. And good measure. Give each one of these a good little squeeze. Once you're done with that, you can flip your chicken over. Come in, and along the back side here there's a fairly decent amount of meat, so you want to get both sides of it. Nice. And repeat the process. Okay, I took what's left out over it was done, and spread the trappings of the butter inside of both of them a little bit. Comes for one of the most important parts, is you take your alcoholic beverage of choice and take a drink. Because this is really simple. You're going to take some more of your spice and pretty thoroughly coat the outside. One of the ingredients that this particular Greek seasoning has is cornstarch. It has just a little bit of cornstarch in there, which is going to brown and crisp the skin up quite a bit. This extra pieces of fat here are just going to add to the smoking, but if you make sure and get those pretty good, that'll release a lot of smells. Yeah, you want to be kind of thorough. Now they're ready for the pit. Okay, we're out here at the pit. Those bricks actually help keep the lid down. I've gotten it so hot before it's warped. And we're smoking very, very nicely. We check our temperature. We're actually doing pretty good. Knowing your pit is a really big part of being able to cook well. Over here next to the firebox where the heat comes through, it's going to be much hotter right there. And it will be down here. Down here, you'll get a much cooler heat. That didn't make any sense, but you'll get a little bit too much. There'll be a nice cooler smoke. That's where we're going to want to put these. Right here. So you're just going to go ahead and lay your chicken down. If you notice, I do this one-handed. Pick it up just like that. Put them right down there. Right next to each other. Okay, so we're coming back up over here, and we're still smoking really good. We've had to add some wood to the fire a couple of times to keep it right around 270, 300. It's been about 4 hours, and we just did a temp on the chicken, and it's at 170. Look at that. That is beautiful. So, just going to go ahead and pick them up. Give you a shot of what they look like. Nice and smoked and dark. Now over here, I didn't make a video of it, but I also did a rack of ribs. And they're nice and done too. So, alrighty. But that's what she should look like.